How to use the Buffalo Wild Wings FAQ page to reset a forgotten password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to FAQ of Buffalo Wild Wings website and click on account. After you click on account at the top, you'll find what if I'm having trouble signing in. Reset using forgot user ID and forgot passwords link on the home page. Your user ID is the email address you signed up with. And if you're still experiencing issues, contact the Buffalo Wild Wings Reward Support Center, support@buffalowildwings.com, or by phone number and there's a number, which is 1-877-335-7693. You can go to the sign-in page and add your email and click on Forgot Password in here. After you click on Forgot Password in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, you will need to enter your email address again and press on Recover Password at the bottom. Then you will need to check your mail. You will find mail sent to you. Simply click on the mail sent by Buffalo Wild Wings and reset your password. And this is how to use the Buffalo Wild Wings FAQ page to reset a forgotten password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.